Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khanna, host on Click Digest, and today we have with us a new budget smartphone from Tecno. It's called the Camon Eye Twin. The twin here stands for the dual camera that you get on the rear of this phone. It also comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes it quite desirable at this price point of 11,500 rupees. This is available through offline stores. So let's dive into the box and see what all we get. Opening the box, the first thing you get is the phone itself. Then there is some documentation and accessories which include a back cover, a 2 ampere wall charger, data cable and earpod style earphones. Putting everything aside, let's boot the phone and see how it performs. Here's a quick look at the specifications of the phones, which includes a Snapdragon 425 processor, a 6-inch HD Plus display, 4000 mAh battery, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM. It runs Android 8 Oreo out of the box with HiOS skin on top of it. It also gets a fingerprint scanner inbuilt on this phone. Setting up the phone, first thing you would notice is this handful 6-inch display, which is quite bright. It goes all the way up to 500 nits in brightness. It has a 2.5D curved glass HD plus resolution, so display quality is quite impressive here. There are no bezel buttons, but the buttons are a part of the interface which are on the screen itself. Flipping to the back of the phone, we have a 13 megapixel rear camera followed by a 2 megapixel depth sensor, so it's a dual camera setup at the rear with a quad LED flash next to it. It can take depth sensing portrait modes with the rear camera setup. On the front, there is a 13 megapixel front facing camera which comes with LED flash. There are also some sensors and earpiece on top of the screen at front. On the rear, above the Tecno branding, there is a fingerprint scanner. This phone also gets face unlock feature. It has a 4000 mAh battery on the offer, which will easily last you one full day because it has Snapdragon 425 chipset, which is not very taxing on the battery. In terms of design itself, the phone is quite sleek and fits the hand easily. It's slim, it looks good and is quite nice to touch. Talking of camera quality, here are some pictures that we clicked around the office. In my opinion, it's a moderately good device with a bright 6-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio, good set of cameras and a large battery. It only lacks in terms of performance, where Snapdragon 425 is an entry-level budget chip which is not very performance oriented. So it is up to you. If you are into performance or if you want to play games, you can look for something which is more powerful. If not, then this phone should be good enough for you because it has got the basics right. It has good display, a large battery life, beautiful design and good set of cameras. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can pick one up for the Best Buy price. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.